If you're planning to start a business in the USA in 2026, then listen carefully, because the old ways of making money, they're dead. The game has changed. And in this video, I'm going to show you the top business ideas for 2026 that can actually make you serious money in the USA. Make sure you watch till the end, because the last idea might be the one that changes your life. Round 1. AI-based services. Artificial intelligence is not just a trend anymore, it's a gold mine. Every business in the US wants to use AI, but most people don't know how. That's your opportunity. You can start AI content creation services, chatbot development, AI video editing, automation for businesses. Companies are paying thousands of dollars for this. If you learn even one AI skill, you can earn from anywhere. Round 2. Niche e-commerce brand. E-commerce is still alive, but only if you do it right. Selling random products, that's over. Now it's all about niche products. Examples: eco-friendly products, pet products, fitness gadgets, personalized gifts. People in the US love unique and high-quality products. With the right branding, this can become a passive income machine. Round 3. Sustainable business. Sustainability is booming in the US. People care about the environment and they're willing to pay more for it. Business ideas: reusable products, organic food brand, eco-friendly packaging, solar-related products. Even the government supports these businesses. So you get profit plus long-term growth. Round 4. Gaming and content creation. Gaming is no longer just entertainment, it's a career. The US gaming industry is worth billions. You can start a gaming YouTube channel, live streaming on platforms, game coaching, build your own esports brand. If you stay consistent, the money will follow. Round 5. No-code, low-code agency. You don't need to be a hardcore programmer anymore. With tools like website builders and app creators, you can build apps without coding. Small businesses in the US need fast solutions, and they're ready to pay big money for it. If you learn these tools, you can charge clients thousands of dollars. Round 6. Online coaching and courses. People in the US invest heavily in learning new skills. You can create online courses, coaching programs, skill-based training. Even if you're not an expert, you can partner with someone who is. Create once, sell forever. Round 7. Local delivery and services. Convenience is everything in the US. People are willing to pay to save time. Ideas: grocery delivery, laundry services, home cleaning, food delivery. If your service is fast and reliable, customers will keep coming back. Round 8. Rental business. Rental businesses are extremely popular in the US. You can start Airbnb rentals, car rentals, equipment rentals. Even without owning property, you can use rental arbitrage. It's a smart way to generate income. Round 9. Social media agency. Every business wants to grow online, but they don't know how. That's where you come in. You can offer social media management, content creation, video editing, growth strategies. Businesses pay monthly, which means stable income. Round 10. Personal branding, the most powerful one. In 2026, your personal brand is your biggest asset. If people trust you, you can sell anything. You can build a YouTube channel, Instagram page, digital products, affiliate income. It takes time, but the rewards are massive. So these were the top business ideas for 2026 in the USA. But remember one thing: ideas don't make money. Execution does. Most people keep thinking, but winners take action. So pick one idea, start today, and stay consistent, because 2026 belongs to those who move fast and think smart. If you want more content like this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.